On Tuesday of next week, Minister Paschal Donohoe and I will introduce Budget 2021. As a new Fianna Fáil Minister, this is both an honour and a huge responsibility of which I am acutely aware. No budget in modern times has been framed against a more uncertain backdrop. We're all living with the threat of COVID-19 on a daily basis. The impact on workers and businesses has been devastating. It has been most acutely felt in certain sectors of our economy. From a position where at the start of the year we were close to full employment, the COVID adjusted measure of unemployment at the end of September stood at almost 15%. As a government, we have already committed €16 billion in current and capital spending, which is nearly €3,300 for every person in the country, and further measures will be confirmed on Budget Day. The principles that will continue to guide us are protection of household income, building permanent capacity in our health service, and ensuring our businesses can get through this incredibly tough period. We must also prepare for the possibility of a no trade deal Brexit and all the disruption and economic damage that would bring. While understandably most attention is currently focused on the health emergency we face, we must prepare for life after COVID, and the budget will ensure we are investing in capital projects which will build much needed housing, improve our health service and position our economy for recovery. Next week's budget will be about protecting our public services, supporting jobs and preparing our economy and our society for recovery. Thank you very much.